Babe, I'm so excited. Today is the day that we start the Daikin Sustainability Series.
Oh, that's right. That's today?
Yeah.
All right, is Marc coming over?
Speak of the devil. Hello, Marc. It's good to see you again.
So good to see you. How are you?
It's so good to finally meet you.
Finally! Yes.
Hi.
So nice meeting you.
Now you get to see him in person. I mean, this is the guy that has inspired me to really bring sustainability to building, to homeowning, to everything. I mean, it's something that we can all get behind.
You guys have a lot to talk about. I'll let you get to work.
Beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
Love it out here. You know, we actually have a butterfly garden over there. It's just a little slice of heaven.
Yeah, awesome. Well, not wanting to one-up you, but Daikin actually also has a monarch butterfly garden.
Really?
At our facility in Texas, yes.
Now, why butterflies?
Well, it's a symbol for us, right? Butterflies are really affected by the outside air pollution.
Okay.
So for us, we adopted a monarch butterfly as a symbol. That we call that butterfly kokoro, which in Japanese means heart, mind, and spirit.
I love
So for
that.
us, it's all encompassing, right? Of the notion that we can do little things every day and keep that in mind. Not only comfort inside the home, but also with consideration of the outside air. Right?
Love that. That's amazing. Very fitting being out here, isn't it?
It is. See, actually doing something sustainable can be an enjoyable activity.
You're
right?
exactly right. What is sustainability?
It's a lot of things, right? So sustainability is about finding an edge in industries where we can reduce the impact of humans' activity on the environment.
Sure.
Right, so it takes many shapes and forms. So for example, you take the retail sector as an example, right? The grocery store now, you know, some around the country now they're having a policy to remove plastic bags, right, at checkout. There's coffee now that you can buy locally that have been farmed with more green practices. So in all industries, you can carve out some areas where we can improve and reduce our carbon footprint, right, all over.
And building is a big chunk of that.
And the building is a big chunk. At Daikin, we're on a mission, right? We're on a mission to decarbonize homes and buildings. And the reason is simply 40 to 60% of the energy consumption within a home or a typical building is due to heating and cooling, right?
Gosh.
So certainly when you look at that, right, HVAC manufacturers have a very strong role to play if you can replace fossil fuel burning systems with electrifying your air conditioner and heater together. You can find ways of being more efficient and also removing those local sources of emissions.
Right. Give me a little background on heat pumps, where we've started from and where we've come to.
So a heat pump is an all-electric system that can heat during winter but reverse its cycle and operation to cool the house like an air conditioner in the summer. Most homeowners would be familiar with a heat pump that are called a single-stage heat pump. So when they turn on, they go to maximum capacity and then they reaches the right temperature, right? That's the set point.
It's all or nothing.
And they stop, right? So you often hear that outside unit in your backyard, you know, kind of going up and then turning off. And when it does, it's very loud at startup and also loud during operation.
That leads to another question. So I think most people's thought process, energy consumption is consuming energy when something is running. You know, with inverter heat pumps, you have longer run cycles than with non-inverter heat pumps. So you're saying something running longer is more efficient?
Yes. The trend towards electrification of building is pretty similar to what we're seeing in the car industry. I think most people are familiar with the mile per gallon rating, right, of the cars. And certainly you see on the specification of your car, right, that your car is much more efficient on the highway than it is than going through a city, right?
So true.
And the city, what do, right?
You
stop at the red light and then you keep going.
And you're going.
Exactly. So it's the same thing for an air conditioner or a heat pump. People think that you have to trade comfort and convenience for energy efficiency. We're working to make that trade-off a thing of the past. As a global heating and cooling company, we know that products and technology can make a real difference.
And so, I mean, Daikin Fit, that's what I'm loving about Daikin Fit. It seems like you're getting all of the benefits, but with Daikin, you can do that without having to sacrifice comfort. This is something that you can do that gives you efficiency, that is comfort in your home, cost savings, This is
Right.
what Daikin is doing. That's incredible, incredible. Okay, so this, I'm telling you guys, this is the first in a sustainability series that Mark and I are going to do on the impact that we can do in so many areas. We cannot wait to see you next time. Thanks a lot, Mark.
Thanks, Dave.